Hello everybody from Bidders and Winners. I'm running the live video for the Topps Inception 2018 two-box break. We're running it for the Los Angeles of Anaheim, Angels of Anaheim. These are the people that are on the list. I'm going to go over here to the list. And I'm going to show you the list here. And I did not take it out on purpose. I wanted you to see me remove the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. We'll delete that. Backspace. So that is gone. Everything else is still there. I'll come over here to Bidders and Winners. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Get rid of Brian Wilkins. Oops, I went too far. Type live. There we go. Alright, so we're going to roll 2 dice. We're looking for anything higher than 5, so it's 6 or higher. And here we go. First roll. We got a 7. So real quickly, we've got 7 total rounds for the Angels Inception. Time is 9:15. Time is 9:15. Oh, it just switched to 16. As you can see, it also switched to 16 here. Alright, here we go. 7 rounds. Yeah, we know. Round 1. 4, 3, 2, 1 round left. Right now, as you can see, we got 1 all the way down to 28. Because the reason why there's 28 is because I think it was Kansas City did not have any cards whatsoever in this product, so I took them completely off. Sucks for me, but it's okay. We're getting this break done. So here we go. As you can see, it's 216 there, it's there and there. And final round. And it looks like for Washington Nationals, Thomas Turco. There you go, sir. You have won the Angels. Let's hope we get you a nice Ohtani autograph. I'm going to load the video up. Video will post before I post the results. We're going to get this break going pretty quick. Hope you guys see you soon.